Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and my name is Ella. I'm going to show you a surprise Halloween. Come on.
Oh, a painting.
So that's me, and I'm actually a ghost. And that's Miko, and he's actually a pumpkin.
Oh, okay.
So that's my hair with star here. And there was a black thing up here. So actually I'm going to put this up here.
Okay, let's show us another one. Okay. You
Okay,
have another one?
Okay, wait. Wait, I will show you. I'll show you the other one. It's like this.
Okay.
Now I can show you.
The other one.
This is
Oh.
a spider with a spider web. And actually I'm going to say something up here.
Oh. And the orange too?
Yeah.
Those are beautiful. Thank you. Who subscribe
I
to channel?
think I can put it over there.
Okay, you finish all? What do you want to say for your friends?
Yeah. And guys, next time you watch this episode.
Bye.
Bye.